Hey everyone, I'm your host with the most, the amazing Firewalker himself. Yes, Grant Mother Effin Harris. We're so happy that you are joining us on this newest channel, Firewalking Around the World. That's right, we are taking individuals from parts everywhere in the world that are battling with fear or depression or loss of a loved one. And we are using our techniques that I have learned through the last 15 years in leadership as well with fire performing to bring you the best firewalking entertainment you have ever seen on the YouTube platform. So hit that subscribe button as well. We do take sponsorships and donations, and if you ever want to be on our show, please send us a message to any of the links that you see listed on our banner. We hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, my friends. And always remember, from the Firewalker himself, always have a love for life. And join us on this incredible adventure as we go firewalking around the world.